Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make Panaka, an Indian festive drink. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this super simple recipe. So let's get started. Add powdered jaggery into a clean bowl. Add half cup of water and stir well until the jaggery dissolves completely. To this, add a pinch of cardamom powder, a tablespoonful of fresh lime juice, freshly extracted juice from ginger. You can add ginger powder instead. Also add a bit of pepper powder and stir well. Finally, add water and stir. And there you go. Your traditional thirst buster is ready. In olden days, visitors and guests were greeted with water and jaggery. This cooling beverage is far more tastier and healthier than any other soft drinks or fizzy drinks. Do try this healthy cooling drink this summer and I'll bet you'll like it. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Links to all my social medias are provided in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.